This is not a car. It is a weapon, forged to tear a hole through the wind. Listen to that scream. A V12 engine that refuses to die, now reborn with electricity. It doesn't just drive on the road, it hunts. Inspired by fighter jets, built for pilots, not drivers. 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. Blink and you miss it.
Welcome to Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. This is not a factory. It is a temple dedicated to speed.
Inside, there is no assembly line noise, just focused intensity. Every movement is calculated for performance. Forget steel. Forget aluminium. The Revuelto is born from something stronger. It starts as a soft cloth, cut by lasers with surgical precision. Zero waste. Zero errors. But robots cannot feel. Skilled Italian hands layer the fabric into the molds, ensuring the weave is perfect.
This is forged composite. Chopped carbon fibers mixed with resin to create a material harder than titanium.
The soft cloth enters the autoclave, a massive oven that bakes the carbon under immense pressure and heat. It emerges as the monofuselage, a single, ultra-light skeleton that protects the driver at 200 miles per hour. It is lighter than a feather, yet stronger than steel. The perfect cage for the beast within. Now we need power. The foundry awakens. Molten aluminium flows like lava to create the heart.
Raw metal becomes precision art. Diamond-tipped cutters shave the aluminium down to the micron. There is no room for error inside a V12.
Machines make the block, but humans give it a soul. One master mechanic assembles the pistons by hand.
But this time, the V12 is not alone. 3 electric motors join the fight.
The torture chamber. Before it sees the road, the engine must scream at full power in the test cell. 1,000 horsepower, 9,500 RPM. If it survives this, it is worthy of the bull.
Now, the marriage. The carbon fiber body meets the mechanical heart. It looks more like building a fighter jet than a car.
Everything is tight, compact. The engine sits exposed, naked to the world. No cover can hide this engineering.
From the darkness of carbon, we move to color. Lamborghini does not do subtle. We paint in neon.
7 layers of paint, each one applied with robotic speed, but inspected by the unforgiving human eye.
Matte, gloss, or pearl. The finish must be dangerous. It must look fast even when standing still.
The assembly line moves like a clock. 35 minutes per station. Precision is the only rule. The nervous system is installed. Thick, orange, high-voltage cables carry the lethal power of the electric battery. Inside, it is not a lounge. It is a command center. A cockpit designed for a fighter pilot. The steering wheel is the weapon's trigger. Carbon fiber, leather, and the buttons to unleash chaos. And the centerpiece, the red flap. You don't turn a key, you arm the missile. The signature move. The scissor doors. They do not open out, they slice up towards the sky.
To stop a missile, you need anchors. Massive carbon ceramic brakes, clamped by calipers the size of a human head.
The final seal of approval. The golden bull. A warning to anyone who dares to challenge it.
The only thing connecting 1,000 horsepower to the ground are these claws. Custom-made massive tires, wider than a race car's.
Now, the blood transfusion. Oil, coolant, and fuel are pumped into the empty veins of the machine.
The moment of truth. The first breath. Will the heart beat?
It is alive, but is it perfect? Into the zebra tunnel, where light reveals every sin.
The rain test. We drown it in a monsoon to ensure the pilot stays dry, even in a hurricane.
Factory approval is not enough. It must face the real world. The Sant'Agata streets.
Open road, full throttle, the electric motors hit you instantly, then the V12 screams. It is a punch to the gut.
The air is not an enemy, it is a tool. The active wing rises to crush the car into the asphalt.
It dances on the edge of physics. Heavy, yet agile. Brutal, yet precise.